Rico Engineering of Centralia's Bob Fulmer. Starting in the second row in the 28 out of Port Orchard, Washington. Sponsored by Napa, West Bay Auto Parts, and 911 Driving School is Jeff Peterson. Inside row number 2 is the 22 of Bobby Wheeler out of Federal Way, Washington. Sponsored by King's Transmission. Outside of the front row is the 23 of Chuck Peterson out of Port Orchard, Washington. Sponsored by West Bay Napa Auto Parts. And starting on the pole in the 32 out of Gallup, Washington, Tom Smitham. Sponsored by Peterson. Bobby Wheeler going by Smitham and bringing Wrinkle right along with him as the field comes off of 4. 2 of 8 laps now complete. Bobby Wheeler is your new leader. Kevin Wrinkle and now Jeff Peterson is third as the field is single file. Kevin Wrinkle and Jeff Peterson as Wrinkle taking a look to the outside of Wheeler as they come off the floor. Wrinkle all the way up to the wall, but he could not get up there with Wheeler, but he's going to stay there trying to work that outside lane. And now Wrinkle alongside Wheeler as they go off into turns 1 and 2. Inside, Wrinkle on the outside, and all Jeff Peterson can do is watch the side-by-side battle in front of him. And now Kevin dives down in front of Bobby Wheeler, and Wrinkle has set sail up front. Off of 4, Kevin Wrinkle's going to see the white flag. Once Wrinkle got by Wheeler, he checked out on the field. One more set of corners. Wrinkle now bringing it off of 4. Your winner, Kevin Wrinkle. He is followed by Bobby Wheeler. Outside of the front row, the 88 out of Puyallup, Washington, sponsored by Bumpy's Tavern at the Beach Vacation Rental of Ocean Shores, Robert Rux. And starting on the pole in the 7 out of Tacoma, Washington, sponsored by Bowtie Performance and Carburation Tech, is Scott Wrinkle. Scott Wrinkle is driving the 7 car, which normally Mike Clothier would drive. And Scott Wrinkle drives it tonight as a graduation present. As yellow's going to come out, Don Huntley has gone around on the backstretch and is sitting down in the grass right now. Don Huntley now is going to go ahead and park it in the and she's back underway. Green flag flies. Huntley is back out on the track. Scott Wrinkle leads the field through 3 and 4. As they are single file now. Scott Wrinkle, Bob Monroe, and then Robert Rux, your top 3. Single file off of 4 and across the line. 6 laps remain. Scott Wrinkle trying to make the most of this graduation present. He's opened up a couple of car lengths lead over the 83 at Monroe. Right now goes way up the track, and now the rest of the field is stacked up behind she's going to go ahead and exit the Speedway. The right flag comes out. One more time around for the newly graduated Scott Wrinkle. As he brings it off of turn number 4, Scott Wrinkle, your winner. Heat race number 2 for the Vintage Modified Racing Association.